We at Educami helped in fulfilling the dreams of 51 UPSC 2020 toppers. If you too have a dream to crack the UPSC examination, subscribe to our YouTube channel and stay up to date with your UPSC preparation. क्योंकि तैयारी आपकी, जिम्मेदारी हमारी।
Welcome to Educami's YouTube page. My name is Richa, and in this video I'm going to discuss UPSC syllabus for prelims and mains examination. Basically, this video is one of the parts of UPSC series, and to know more about UPSC examination, please do subscribe, share and like our YouTube channel. Okay, so now moving forward, and we are going to discuss the UPSC syllabus for prelims examination first, of course. So as we all know, in prelims examination there are two papers, paper 1 and paper 2, where paper 2 is qualifying, that is CSAT, and paper 2 is GS. Okay, so GS paper, it would be of 200 marks, जहाँ पे आपको 2 hours दिए जाएंगे to solve this paper. Okay, so if we broadly talk about themes from where UPSC asks questions, so that is history, ठीक है, geography, economy, and environment and ecology, general science and current affairs. So these are the broader themes from where UPSC asks questions. So yes, when we say geography, so it doesn't mean you have to prepare Indian geography also, Indian geography only. You have to prepare Indian and as well as world geography also. And when we say environment and ecology, so yes, you have to cover all the general issues from here, and also of course from general science you have to cover only general issues. So these are the broader themes, and yes, we are going to discuss the syllabus in brief only. I will give you an overview of this entire syllabus. So that is all about GS paper 1, and now we will move forward and we'll discuss the GS paper 2. So GS paper 2 ये आपका CSAT होता है. This is qualifying, where you have to score 33% of marks to qualify this paper. So from where they ask questions? They ask questions from comprehension reading, and they are questions from logical reasoning, decision making, general mental ability and basic numeracy. ठीक है, so this is your CSAT 200 marks का, but qualifying, ठीक है, इसके marks नहीं add होते हैं. Okay, so this is all about prelims examination. Now I'm moving forward and we are going to discuss about mains examination syllabus. So paper 1 is of essay. It would be of 200 marks. Two parts में होगा, section A and section B. 125 marks each. You have to write 2 essays here, and this is paper 1 essay. And now if we talk about general studies and we talk about broader themes here, so under GS paper 1, what is the syllabus? You have to prepare history, you have to prepare Indian society, you have to prepare geography. Okay, we can further divide this themes like history, so modern history, under art and culture and post independence, etc. And yes, geography mein, yes, you have to prepare Indian geography and the world geography as well. So this is a detailed syllabus. I'm telling you the broader themes here. Okay, so yes, we can see कि Indian history में क्या पूछा है? Indian culture will cover salient aspects of art forms, literature, architecture from ancient to modern time. And if we talk about geography, so yes, they are asking salient features of world's physical geography. They are asking about resources across the world. And yes, syllabus is about important geophysical phenomena such as earthquakes हो गए, tsunami है, volcanic activity. You have to prepare GS paper 1 on these lines. ठीक है? So now moving forward and we'll discuss GS paper 2. So yes, we can break this paper under like polity, Indian polity and constitution, governance and social justice, and IR, that is international relations. So what do you have to prepare under polity? Yes, आपको Indian constitution पढ़ना पड़ेगा. You need to know historical underpinnings, you need to know evolution कैसे हुआ, features, amendments, significant provisions, etc. There are many more things. And yes, you need to know about parliament and Indian state legislatures, their functioning, their conduct of business, etc. Okay, so this is all about polity, and now I'm going to discuss about social justice. Okay, what you have to prepare under this topic, you need to cover issues related to development and management of social sector services, like relating to health, education, human resource, poverty and hunger, and so this is your social justice, and this is your governance part. Okay, so this is your governance part. What you need to read under this, you need to read about important aspects of governance, transparency, e-governance क्या होता है, what is उसका application क्या है, what are the models, success, what is the role of civil services in a democracy, etc. Okay, so this is what that was all about your social justice, sorry, governance part. And now I'm going to discuss international relations. So under international relations, what you need to know about India and its neighbor. हमारे relations कैसे हैं? When we say neighbor, so that means Pakistan, China, Myanmar, Bhutan, Nepal, Sri Lanka, etc. ठीक है? And yes, you need to know about bilateral, regional and global groupings and agreements involving and affecting or impacting India's interest. So this is the detailed syllabus which you need to prepare while preparing international relations. Okay, so that was about GS paper 2. Now I'm going to discuss GS paper 3. So broadly देखा जाए तो क्या है यहाँ पे? Science and technology, you need to prepare economy under this. You need to know about your environment, ठीक है? Security and disaster management. These are the broader themes under general studies paper 3. ठीक है? So when we say Indian economy, so you need to know what about Indian economy, what are the issues relating to planning, mobilization of resources, growth and development, and what is government budgeting, what are the major crops and cropping patterns, and yes, issues related to direct and indirect farm subsidies, food processing क्या है, what are the related industries in India, scope क्या है उसके, issues क्या है, etc. ठीक है, land reforms, etc. Okay, so that was all about Indian economy. Now this is science and technology. Science and technology में क्या prepare करना है? Developments and their application and effects in everyday life. What are the achievements of India in science and technology? You need to know about nanotechnology a bit. You need to know about robotics. मतलब you need to be you need to have aware in the field of IT, space, computers, robotics, biotechnology, etc. Okay. So that was all about science and technology, and now this is the part environment and disaster management. ये आपको prepare करना है under environment. What you have to prepare: conservation, environmental pollutions, degradation, और क्या impacts इनके, environmental impact assessment. And under disaster management, this is disaster management, and this is your internal security. This is your internal security part. And what you have to prepare, you have to prepare linkages between development and spread of extremism, role of external state and non-state actors in creating challenges to internal security, many more. There are many more things here which you have to prepare under internal security. Basically I'm giving you a brief overview of this UPSC syllabus. ठीक है? ठीक. So this is internal security again. So yes, we are done with GS paper 3 also, and in GS paper 4 it's exclusively ethics. ठीक है, integrity and aptitude. So basically ये पूरा ethics का पेपर है आपका GS 4 का. You have to, मतलब ये पूरा 250 मार्क्स का पेपर आपका 250 मार्क्स ये किसका है? ethics का है. So yes, in this way this paper becomes very important. This topic to ethics आपका बहुत important हो जाता है. Why? Because 250 marks का है ये पूरा paper. Okay, and now I'm moving forward and I'm going to discuss about optional. ठीक है? So in optional subject क्या है? You have to pick any one optional subject, and every optional subject will have two papers, paper 1 and paper 2. ठीक है? And each paper would be of 250 marks. ठीक है? So this is the list of optional subjects. You can pick any one. ठीक? For example, chemistry है, civil engineering, commerce and accountancy, law, history and sociology, statistics. ठीक है, etc. So this is the list of your entire optional subject. And yes, paper 1 होगा, paper 2 होगा of 250 marks each. Now I'm moving forward. I'm going to discuss the qualifying papers. So as we know कि in prelims examination CSAT is qualifying. So here in mains examination your Indian language paper and plus the English paper, where it is, and plus your English, Indian language and plus English, these papers are qualifying. ठीक है, ये qualifying paper है आपके. And so that was all about mains examination and prelims examination syllabus. And then last में आपका आता है personality test or interview, that would be of 275 marks. So that's all about UPSC syllabus for prelims and mains examination. So in this video we have covered a brief discussion of UPSC syllabus. Okay, I hope this video helps. Thank you so much.